Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stock Market Tips, Secrets to Success by David Diaz. This is our final video to this session. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for going through all these videos, knowing that the best account to invest in is your knowledge account. If you learn and follow and apply and make it a habit of utilizing what has been stated here, eventually, soon, you will be trading better than the average trader. That's correct. Better than the average trader. But to be certain that you will be trading better than the average trader, I made this one video here with 2 or 3 very important things that you need to be reminded to do on a daily basis. 2 or 3. There are about 9 things in this video that you will be going over. However, there are 2 or 3 very, very important. It's up to you which of those 2 or 3. For me, I know which they are. No one of them has not made anyone a millionaire. Correction, not just one, but many of them. Many of them have made people millionaires. It depends on you which path you want to take. Which one of these do you want to rely on? I gave you 2 or 3 that I rely on, and the others are backups because they are very, very important, all of them. When you put 2 and 2 together, it doesn't equal 4. It equals a multiplied version of 4. And that's where the basics of algorithms start. So let's go ahead and continue with this video to be certain that you've got all the information you need. The watch list revisited. Money you are willing to lose. Only invest the money you're willing to lose. Don't invest your rent money. Don't invest the money to pay your bills. Make certain that you're putting aside your savings and that you're making money work for you, as you will note in the near future. Set goals. Have some basic goals. Let's say you enter into a stock that's $10 a share and your goal is to make 10%. That's $11 a share. So if it goes above that, great. But don't forget to take some gains at $11 a share, which is your original goal. Why? Because it could drop at any moment. It can. Stocks can do that. Prepare. What does prepare mean? These are the pattern, price, risk reward ratio, the entry and exit of stocks, past performance or spiking history of an actual stock, the time of day you're attempting to invest, the reasons or the catalysts why you are entering, and the market environment, because sometimes one of these can go wrong, including the market environment. Currently, the market environment is not too great. However, we're still investing. I'm still in it to win it. Statistics. Write down the statistics that you're going to see here. I gave it in one of the earlier videos. Be certain that you take these into consideration. Write them down for the next 6 months. And then after you write them down for 6 months, show me the numbers, and then we'll take it from there. Volume, the volume of that day's ticker symbol, the market cap, the float, the high, the low, the open and the close, the previous close, as well as putting a note why you are picking this stock. Three times you are out. If you believe that you have gone through a negative moment investing and that you've had a loss, remember, cut your losses. If the stock is not going your way, cut them. Cut them. Don't wait until see where is it going to land. I've shown you some samples that sometimes you don't know where it's going to land. Look at Hertz. Hertz went from a $20 company to a 40 cents dollar company. 40 cents. 40 cents. That's right. And that can happen at any moment in time. So if a stock is not going your way, just sell off. Take a small loss is better than having a huge loss. What happened? You'll never know exactly what happened until it's too late. Just go with your instincts. Be patient. Take your time to make some decisions and act upon them. Don't doubt yourself. Fundamental analysis, very important to know about the company's history. The company's financials are very important as well. Technical analysis, looking at charts are very, very important. The news will often throw a curveball at you. Sometimes the news is on and sometimes it is way off. So be careful, be alertful. That's news will sometimes make a positive reaction and sometimes people will just ignore it. SEC filings. SEC filings are very important. That shows the quarterly earnings of a company as well as the yearly. Earnings reports are highly important, and it's usually a basis for you to run away from the stock because they usually drop at that time. Red flags. We've gone over many red flags and buying on rumors, no profits, dumping prices, under investigation, lots of debt, dividend cuts, buying a stock just because, no research, a margin pump or a pump just in general, suspensions, lawsuits, class actions, or bankruptcies. Be careful. Charts are probably the number one source of reliable information. Looking at a history of spiking, looking at an actual chart, whether it's on an uptrend, a downtrend, roller coaster ride, or stalemate. It might just be consolidating and going nowhere. So be aware of your charts. Software for investing. There's no perfect software. It's the software that is right for you to get started, and then the software you will advance from there. Always be open to getting a better software than you originally intended to invest in. That will happen. It's happened to me. I have at least 20 softwares. If I went into how many softwares I had, this videos might not even end right now. Fear, very, very important. Can you imagine yourself on a cliff looking down with nothing to hold on to, but just leaning against a rock? Well, this is how the stock market can be assimilated. Very similar. Your fear can be your worst enemy, but it also can be your best friend. Learn to adapt to fear. I've had fear. I continuously have fear, but I learn to control it. I learn to listen to it because sometimes you're told, your inner self tells you what you have to do. You just got to figure it out. It's not going to be overnight. It takes time to develop. Communication is the key, and internal communication with your heart and mind will make the most amazing emotions and motion happen. So that's it for Stock Market Tips Secrets to Success by David Diaz. If you need to find out more information about our programs and our future events, please visit us at www.ceodaviddiaz.com. Thank you very much, and until the next one.